Um, hey guys, I am going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Super easy. It flies well. It looks well. Yeah, we're doing that today. In my last video, I showed you guys how to make paper boat. So if you watch that, go and watch that because it's my origami series. The series is dope. Okay, so let's start. Paper airplane in progress. Okay, so let's just take a paper from the book. Notebook, and I recommend using a square, or no, I'm just showing you guys how to do it on a piece of paper like this. So yeah. Okay, so you want to start by folding it in half, so it's half of what it was before. And you'll see why we're so you'll see why we're doing this. Don't keep it this way. Bam, unfold it. Then once you're done, you see that line. Yep, you gotta fold these to it like that. So let me just do that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do recommend making it as perfect as you can. You guys want to hear a paper joke? Actually, never mind. It's terrible. Anyway, so let's get, that was cringe. I'm sorry. What you want to do is you'll want to flip it over like this, right? And then what you'll do next is you'll, so like it's on the side like where we didn't fold it. You want to put it on that side. And now what you want to do is, on that side, you'll want to bring this down and make the other side, and do it with the other side too. You want to make it as even as possible on the other side with it. And then you should have something that looks like this. Alright, before you do any of that, you'll want to fold this like that. And then you'll want to do that. Otherwise, yeah, it's just the same thing after you fold it like that. And then once you're done doing that on the other side, once it looks straight up like this, just like a little pen, what you do is you see, so if yours looks like this, and you put it like in its, you see this, you don't want to unfold that. Instead, you'll want to go to the other side and you'll want to open up these wings. Otherwise, leave this the same. So, recommend putting some tape on the end there so it doesn't go. So it doesn't go like that. Dang it, why did I do that? Why did I hit it onto... Anyways, so yeah guys, that'll be the end of the video. Paper airplane that flies. It actually flies. Hold on, let me show you. Oh look, see? It's like a jet. Let me do it with this other one. Oh, okay, that one went down. Airplanes that actually fly. See you guys in my next one. My next origami.